So we currently have a 16 car convoy. We're definitely not all caught up, but hopefully we'll come together after we get out of this traffic. You already know I'm taking you guys on the journey with me. Alright, so I guess this is what we got so far. I don't know where the other 11 cars are. They're obviously ahead. Seems like it's gonna be nice and calm cruise for now. Bro, can you drive, bro? Drive. Whoa. You don't know? I don't know either. I don't know either, bro. We don't know where we're going. Supposed to be a 16 car crew right now, but a whole bunch of shenanigans started happening. I have no idea how far the other crew is, but we got 1, 2, 3, I think 4 maybe right now. Yeah, we're on the way to our own little meet. I thought I should definitely take you guys on the journey. Earlier there was a whole bunch of stuff happening. I really couldn't record. It was just crazy, but you will see it on the other cameras. Depends on everything. I'll see how dramatic I'll be with our shifts. But I do want to be as dramatic as possible for you guys. Here they are, guys. Here they are. Let's see. This is crazy. Here they are. That's insane, bro.
and subscribe so I could do more of these videos, guys.